गोय विद्यापीठाच्यो ज्यो वेंचणुको जातात त्यो ओपन जावच्यो। फक्त थारावीक 60-70 प्रतिनिधीक वेंचणुकांनी भाग घेनासतना दर एका भुरग्याक मतदानाचो हक्क मेळचो म्हण NSUIची मागणी आसा।
दर वर्सा गोय विद्यापीठाच्यो वेंचणुको राजकीय पावंड्यार जातात। किडनॅपिंग, अपहरण सारकिल्ले गैरप्रकार घडत असता। हे सगळे थांबोवपाक ओपन इलेक्शनाची गरज आसा।
आम्ही मूवमेंट स्टार्ट केलो ओपन इलेक्शन्साचो वेल बिफोर द नोटिफिकेशन of the university elections was out. We have started a movement called as the open elections, where we are demanding for every student to have the right to vote for the university council, which is not happening. Right now the process is that only 60 to 80 appointed people have the right to vote for the main university council. Due to this, many problems are happening. For example, kidnapping, students attack जाता, bribing of students जाता, आणि continuously issues वाढत रावला over the years. Women representatives are also being threatened. Students are being threatened. The future of the country is at stake. Because if these students attacks are taking place or bribing is happening at such a low level of Goa University election, then I don't know where we are heading to and what is the future of the country.
हाका लागून ओपन वेंचणुको जावच्यो ह्या निर्णयात आप NCP, CYSS, PGSUC चो आमकां तेको आसा म्हण NSU सांगता। ह्या संदर्भात NSUIन हायकोर्टात PIL फायल केला म्हण NSUI चो अध्यक्ष एहराज मुल्ला सांगता।
The CYSS is supporting the movement, the NCP is supporting the movement. Together for University, which has won the University panel, PGSU, even they have given a statement that they are supporting the open elections movement. The Bharatiya Janata Party student cell has given a statement on the same day but has not come to the Vice Chancellor with us or the Registrar with us.
ओपन वेंचणुकाक NSUIन भाजपाक चॅलेंज केल्या ना तर वेंचणुको बॉयकॉट करपाची शिटकावणी दिल्या।
We are challenging the BJP student cell to come out, come to the VC, come to the governor and let us both come and demand for an open elections where every student will have the right to vote. I am challenging them to come. We are ready to boycott the elections this time if open elections is not taking place. I challenge them also to boycott, because if they boycott then open elections will have to happen. The VC will be pressurized, the governor will be pressurized, the CM of the state will also be pressurized that every student wants open elections.
तशेंच ह्या संदर्भात कितलीशीच ऍप्लिकेशनां राज्यपाल, उपकुलगुरूक आणि रजिस्ट्राराक केल्यात मात तांची कांयच प्रतिक्रिया ना म्हण मुल्लान सांगला।
We are being trying to approach the VC, we are being trying to approach the registrar, we are being trying to approach the governor. Everything is not being possible because they are not even giving an appointment. We have been asking for an appointment with the governor, ते आमकां appointmentूच दिवपाक ready जायना।
आम्ही आता कोणाकडे वचपाचे सांगा मला। आम्ही VC कडे गेले, रजिस्ट्रारकडे गेले, ज्या ज्या मनशाकडे आमकां वचपाचे
आम्ही प्रेसान सुद्धा उलयले,
ते सगळ्यांकडे आम्ही गेले आणि आमकां कांय रिस्पॉन्सूच मेळपाकूच कोण पळयना। हांव कितें म्हणटा, जे कोण आसा ऑथॉरिटी तांकां म्हणटा तुमचे आमकां तुमी मागीर कितें डिसिजन घेतले ते आयकून नाल्यार तुमचो कितें जातलें, तुमी कितें डिसायड करतले तेजो फैसलो मागीर जातलो, तेचेर डिस्कशन मागीर जातलें, तेचेर डिबेट मागीर जातलें, तें मागीर जातलें, तो तुमचो डिसिजन आसतलो। पूण सद्या हे स्टुडंट्साचें आयका तरी तुमी,
आयक तरी आमचे
रिक्वेस्ट आयका तरी।
रिक्वेस्ट आसा की आयका, दे आर नॉट रेडी टू लिसन टू अस। हितून प्रॉपरली कळटा की VC जो आसा, VC न्हिदला, रजिस्ट्रार न्हिदला, गव्हर्नर न्हिदला इन द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द भारतीय जनता पार्टी।
RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान गौतम शिरोडकार।